Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix something went wrong, error signing into Microsoft accounts. So you should get something similar to this. And in this video, I will show you a few fixes, how you can basically fix this problem, right? So the first one, you just need to right click on your desktop, go to show more options, select new, and then select text document, then enter the text document. And then what you need to do here, you just need to on this video description below, copy this code here, copy this code and paste it to text document, then press on file, then save as, and then just save it to txt.bat, right? Save it to whatever you like. For example, let's save it to the desktop. And then just what you need to do here is to run that particular file. So this one, you just need to run it. And what it does is just, if you run for the first time, it's just it will clear corrupted Microsoft data and cache files. And after that, you should able to log in. But if this do not work, what you need to do here next is to go to services and then click on one of the tasks here and press M until you see Microsoft Account Sign-In Assistant. Then you need to right click on it, go to properties, select automatic, and then service status should be running. So press start, apply OK, and your problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.